So today we are going to unbox Monster N-Lite Clear Talk wireless in-ear headphones. So this is the box. The packaging is good. It's small, crisp, and um, straight to the details. Some details on the back, features, and touch control, command, USB-C, um, environmental noise cancellation, and 5.3 Bluetooth, which is really good. Um, some details about the company, and yeah, pretty decent packaging, lightweight. Let's open it up. I would also be linking the product link of this to purchase in the description, so if you're interested you can always go ahead and make a purchase. Some information, material, user manual probably, and the buds, um, which are good. And then we have the extra ear tips and the charging cable, which is USB-A to USB-C, which is good. Then you can charge it with your phone charger as well. So now the packaging is decent. Overall the build quality looks good. Some branding, it's lightweight. I'm really impressed with the weight. um, Overall it closes and opens firmly. The bud is also in a good shape. Like I didn't like only the bud kind of thing. I need something so I can feel the buds, um, like the AirPod Pro. So it's decent, and yeah, the USB-C port and a button to reset or pair it up. So overall the Monster quality is good. I like, and this is some manual stuff, probably on having some instructions on how to connect the buds to your phone, how to charge them, what is the ideal way, some troubleshooting, and some support information as well. um, yeah, so overall I'm very impressed with the build quality and the weight of it. Let's compare it with the uh, Pixel Buds Pro that I use as a regular day-to-day. Overall the size is very less when compared to the Pixel Buds. I'm impressed with the quality. I'm impressed with the audio quality as well. I can't really make you hear from the video. So yeah, that's all for today. Please like, share, and subscribe for more content, and thanks for watching.